Okay, guys. Are we ready?
No. Yeah. I'm not ready for anything.
7 times 7.
54. Wait, did I get it right?
What was it?
49.
Yes. 6 times 6. You got it.
That one's too easy.
9 times 9. You got it. 10 times 11.
Wait, is anybody absent today?
Yes.
Yeah.
7 times 5. You got it, Ava. Okay.
Yeah, Allison said she was going to get it. Okay, well,
9 times 8. You got it, Mary Kate. 6 times 6. 6 times 6. You got it, Jay. Okay, Beauty. 7 times 8. Oh, Charlie. That's my nemesis. Think about it. Time. 12 times 12. That was always tough. How about 8 times 8? You guys have your math notebooks out, your workbooks and your notebooks. Let me see your notebooks. I want to come around and make sure everybody wrote down their definitions of commutative, associative, and distributive properties yesterday. Okay? I'm going to check and make sure everybody's got those written down. Because what does writing do?
It puts it in your brain.
Yeah, it puts it in your brain, right?
I just pulled my phone.
That's why teachers, I don't think they do this much anymore, but they used to tell you, write something, make you write a sentence like 50 times. That way you remember it, right?
I remember one of the options for our spelling words was write the words 5 times.
Oh, yes.
Each word you have to write 5 times.
Absolutely. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Yes. Good job. Good job.
You want to buy some chocolates for Mater Club?
I might talk about it in a minute. Okay. Good job. Jake.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Tommy?
I lost my book. Okay.
Did you have it yesterday?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Learning today.
Math.
Math, yes. Equivalent expressions, right? Equivalent expressions. Go ahead and turn to page 169.
Hey guys, today math class
168, 169.
And rare? That we're
Okay.
learning math and math?
It is rare that we are, yes. Here we go, Tommy. Okay. All right, so we are going to talk about equivalent expressions this morning. And first, I need to know, what does equivalent mean? We need to know what that means, right? Equal, that's
Same
right.
value.
Okay, it means they're equal. So let's talk about how we might use equivalent expressions in the real world, because we always think, oh, why are we learning this, Miss Bergum? We need to know why, right?
I understand math, I don't understand social studies.
Okay, well, why would we use equivalent expressions? Dari, can you give me an
Grocery
example?
shopping.
Grocery shopping.
Like before, when you're looking for the same amount of hot dogs and the same amount of hot dog buns, but there were 8 hot dogs and 12 hot dogs.
That's right. That's right. We
And
talked about
meatball
that,
subs without appetizers.
Yes. Okay, Addie.
What about vacation?
Vacation. How would we use equivalent expressions?
Like if you were getting like the premium package vacation, and you wanted to add something else, and you're on the budget.
Okay.
Most of the time, if you have a
How
bigger
much money
family,
you had to spend? Okay.
most of the time, if you have a bigger family, the premium price goes down because it's the family.
Yep. Okay. Do you have an example for me, Tommy?
You have so you're making a bunch of party bags, and this is for a 5-year-old, but there are 5 Thomas the Trains and 5 bags, and you need the same amount of Mickeys, but you're not that smart, so you need to add how many Mickeys you have according to the same amount of the 5 bags and the 5 trains.
I think that's a great example. I do like that because you want everybody to have the same amount in each bag. Right, girls? Okay. All right, so let's look up here at the board. Miss Bergum put some luscious pictures up here.
You're making me
Okay. So let's just say we went to Chick-fil-A, right?
Can I do it?
This is one family. They bought how many chicken sandwiches?
Six.
Okay. How many desserts?
3.
And how many drinks?
2.
Okay.
That must be
All right, but let's just say that 5 families went to Chick-fil-A and all 5 families bought the same thing. How would we figure out
multiplication.
the total number of items each person got? Multiplication is right, Kaylin.
Multiplicate.
What would we multiply by 6? Okay. 5 times 6. How about 3? 5 times 3 and 5 times 2.
Can I do it?
This would tell us, right? This would tell us exactly the total amount of items that each person or each family bought, okay? So what if I had 5 times 6 plus 5 times 3 plus
5 times 2.
5 times 2. Would that give me the total, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I solve it?
Okay. All right. Hold on. We're going to all look at this one together, okay? For right now. Because what I want to show you guys is one of our properties that we wrote about on the board. I want y'all to tell me which one it is, okay? I'm going to look for something common up here. What do we have that's common? 5. What would that be considered? My what? My common what? Factor. That's right. Okay, so if I pull 5 out, what does that leave me with?
6, 3, and 2.
So could I write 5 times 6 plus 3 plus 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see, Hannah. Since you wanted to work it, why don't you come up here and show me? Show me if you would get the same answer working both of these. Okay?
You mean it's to one like out of the top and to the bottom?
Sure. Yeah, Phoebe, come on.
Okay, so you add
Okay.
these
Here's
two
marker.
up, and it'll be 11 because 3 plus 2 is 5, and then 5 plus 6 is 11, and then you're gonna bring down your 5, and you're gonna put this one in parentheses and multiply it to get 55. 55.
Love it. Love it. Are they equal?
Yep.
Yes. Okay, so guys, we pulled out the common factor up here, right? And we created an expression down here that means the same as this one up here, right, Jay? Okay. All right, so guys, can y'all tell me which one of these operations we used? Anna Kay?
Commutative. We used commutative.
The D one.
What is it, Ava?
Distributive.
Yes. Okay, look, guys. Look at what the distributive property says. Distributing the common factor does not change the value of the expression, right? Okay. When we're what?
What?
When we're adding, right?
Or multiplying.
Okay. When we're adding. All right. And this right here does not work if you are subtracting or dividing. Okay. So right now we're talking about adding. So we pulled out what's common, the 5, and we put the other numbers in parentheses, but yet it didn't change. Didn't change our answer, right? Okay. All right, so let's look at our book and let's talk about equivalent expressions, okay? So they give us an expression. Can you read to me what's in yellow? Phoebe.
3 plus 14 plus 27.
Okay. 3 plus 14 plus 27. Okay. Let's look at that. My parentheses around the 3 and the 14, okay? Hannah, would you read A for me?
Which two terms in 3 plus 14 plus 27 could you add to get a multiple of 10?
Okay. Who can tell me? Kayla, I don't think you've answered yet.
3 plus 27 equals 30.
So 3 plus 27. First of all, what's a multiple?
When you
Right, when you multiply, okay? So what would be multiples of 10?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, etc.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so 3 plus 27. Why is that a multiple of 10, Dari? Why? Why would that be a multiple of 10, Tommy?
It would be a multiple of 10 since you can multiply 10 to get it.
Okay, that's right, because it equals 30. That's right, indicate it equals 30, okay? All right, guys, so that's how we would group this for A, okay? What about B? Ava, would you read that one for me?
B. Rewrite the expression so that these two terms are next to each other.
Okay, Addie, how would I do that one?
It would be 3 plus 27 in parentheses and then plus 14.
3 plus 27 in parentheses plus 14. Did I change my numbers around?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think, guys, that changing my numbers around, that's going to change
Nope.
my answer?
Because we're adding.
Okay. So when I reorder terms, which property am I talking about?
Commutative.
Right. Okay. So I could say 3 plus 6 plus 9, okay? Or I could say 9 plus 6 plus 3, right? Okay? That's my commutative property. That's when I reorder my terms around. All right? How about D? Anna Kate, would you read that one for me?
Rewrite the expression with parentheses to show that the two terms with the sum that is a multiple of 10 should be added first.
Okay. So, guys, what's my order of operations? Dari? What's my order of operations? What comes first? Addie?
Parentheses, and then exponents, and then multiplication, then division, then addition and subtraction.
Right. Please.
Excuse my dear Aunt Sally.
Yay! Y'all are so good. So it doesn't matter where my parentheses are when I'm adding numbers like this, right? Okay. Which property is that? When I move my parentheses around, I am regrouping my terms. Associative, right? Okay. That's my associative property. So that's what you want to put in your book for that. All right, so I have a little exercise for you guys to do. Okay.
Whiteboard?
Yes. Let's do our whiteboards.
Can I pass out markers?
Please, will you pass these out for me, honey?
Can you show your book?
Okay.
Can I pass out markers? Bergum?
Yes.
Can we show your book?
You can close your books unless you think you might need them for help. Yes.
Have the purple one.
We're not gonna, it doesn't matter what color we get, we're just kind of getting one, okay?
I like green.
Thank you.
Who needs a marker?
Me. What? I have a purple. All these. I need a. Where do I put these?
You got enough?
I need.
All right, I'm gonna give you a couple of terms, guys. Let's just make sure that we write small. I don't have any of my tissues with me right now. So we're not drawing on them. We're getting ready for some work to do on them, right? Okay? Can you put that away for me? All right, guys.
This Bergum, what are everybody's extra ones?
Thank you. Nobody want a pink?
Not for me.
I just
Okay.
like blue better than pink.
All right, so I want you to tell me, I'm going to write a problem on the board, and I want you to write A, C, or D, okay? For commutative, associative, or distributive. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. All right, you guys, y'all got to turn around so y'all can see.
Jacob. Jacob's already over here writing stuff.
Okay? A, C, or D. Write it down and show me. A, C, or D.
Did I get mine right, Miss Bergum?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Can I
Why
say
is that
why?
a D? Looks like a C. Okay. If you wrote D, tell me why, Hannah.
Okay, you do that because you split up each number. You did 3 plus 4 plus 8, and then you put the 6, and you're just like spreading them out. You're just jumbling them all together.
That's right. So we found a common factor, okay? We found a common factor. How about, Kaylin? How about this? Ready, go.
Oh,
Yes, baby. What am I doing, guys? What am I doing?
change the
I am regrouping, not reordering, right? I'm regrouping my parentheses, okay? Which is not going to change my answer at all.
But it'll just change
Okay?
what you do first.
That's right. All right. Here's another one.
Which one? I can't see because Tommy. Jacob, Tommy, I can't see.
B is not an answer.
Is mine right? Oh.
What have I done to my parentheses, guy?
Order.
Y'all thought I was going to put C up there, didn't you?
No.
Oh, come on now.
I didn't. So
I'm just checking to make sure y'all are awake this morning.
A.
Yes, associative. Because I'm regrouping my parentheses. Okay, last one. Don't just think it's automatically going to be C.
whatever one she made.
It's
It
gonna.
probably is.
And
100% not.
What's up? Oh, never mind.
Okay? All right?
This is wrong, but okay.
Here, I'm going to erase
Oh, I
these.
forgot to erase.
This one.
C. Why C?
Because you haven't done it yet.
Okay? Did I reorder my numbers? I changed the order of the numbers around, guys. Okay. That is, we are going to do a little pair share activity. So I partnered you guys up, right? Okay. I want you to look at page 169 at the reflect. Okay. Darby, will you let her in, please? We are going to think about this, okay? I don't want just a yes or no answer activity that we're going to do. And it's under the reflect, guys, okay? So we have to actually think about this. I have partnered you up. And, let's see. Let me get... Anna Kate, would you read it for me and see what we need to think about?
Henry says that you can apply the commutative and associative property to 5x plus 10
Yeah?
and get 10x plus 5. That's
Okay.
very correct.
Don't answer. Don't anybody answer. I want you to talk about it with your partner. Okay? Talk about whether or not you think Henry is correct. Think about it, and then I want you to write your answers down here, and we're going to discuss it and see if what you said was correct. Okay? So let me hear some discussion. Think about it.
No.
And I don't want to hear just that. I want to know why. Why?
Oh, Henry's always
Okay.
wrong.
Yep.
Tell me why.
Because Henry's always wrong. He doesn't do math correctly.
Am I
Doesn't want to do
Bergum?
math correctly.
But you got to tell me why. Tell it.
I told you that I'm right.
Okay.
I erased mine.
switch it again.
Okay, so it would be so
where they go.
it's not
Because you can't go to the X, which then how around it changes the answer.
Y'all are talking quietly.
okay, so it would change.
I don't want anybody to hear my answer because they're talking quietly.
Oh, it's a secret.
Yeah,
They're
what do you
talking
want to
quietly.
do?
We all